seconds. If you want it, you're gonna have to come through me to get it.
You're a speedster like me, so you need it too. Sorry. You don't learn, do you? That's mine.
Come and get it.
I need to get out of there now. You're the one that stopped the others. I'm not impressed.
Thank you. Very to test out this pulse camera.
This isn't over. Record this. You have 1 minute, Flash. After that, someone dies every 60 seconds. Until you surrender what's mine. Time's up, Flash. Have you come to give me what's mine?
You have to catch me first.
You're pathetic. You don't deserve the speed you were given. We do. That's your backup? It won't help. Flash! Now you'll feel the real power of speed.
the real Godspeed, but I won't let you harm this city anymore. So why don't you just tell me who sent you?
Barry, get out of there!
Tactically,
it might not understand me.
Think it might be a drone?
Maybe. Cue up your translator.
A translation will not be necessary.
So you can speak.
Yes, and we have much to discuss, Barry Allen.
We've been listening this whole time. Why talk now?
I needed to be sure. In this war, we fight versions of ourselves. But when two sides are evenly matched, there is no winning, only endless suffering. I know now you are strong. You are the advantage we need to achieve our goal.
Which is?
To live. We did not ask to be born, but we do ask not to die. The others, they want your speed to give to their master, August Hart. But upon completion of their mission, they will bow down to his final edict. Total submission.
And once they do, they'll die?
We do not want that fate.
I understand the need to defend yourselves. But if you're from the future, why bring your war here?
We had no choice. The prime August Hart is here. We're on the same side, you and I. We have the same goal. Stop one man from gaining a power so great it would destroy us all. So join us, Flash. And by doing so, you can end this war. Save your city. Save your family.
If I do help, what happens to August Hart once we find him?
We kill him. Until he is dead, our freedom will be compromised.
I won't kill. Not even an enemy.
Then know this. Anyone who stands in our way will die with him. If you are not an ally, you are an enemy.
Let him go!
Warning, Barry Allen. Temporal passage blocked by invasive forces. Warning.
Yo, Casper, I got something for you. Nanites, courtesy Ray Palmer.
Spartan, look out!
Infinite velocity will soon be mine. And once my ascension is complete, all will bow before the might of God's
here.
Yeah.
That way. Okay, put him down.
I say we give him heck, Flash.
On my mark. Fine. You got what you wanted. I'm here. Now tell me what you were doing at the Flash Museum. What do you really want, Hart?
My, oh my. You're really direct. Then again, you're meeting me for the first time. We're bound to learn new things about each other.
Tell me what the hell's going on.
Or what? You'll force me to? Oh, Flash. I'm the living god of speed. The one. Unlike you and your infernal spawn.
You're gonna leave them alone. I swear.
Are you threatening me, Flash? Here! Seriously? You still can't comprehend what you're dealing with. So let me enlighten you. Once upon a time, there was a young physicist named August who dreamed of moving faster than light. So he developed a way to achieve his goal and created the velocity formula. But it wasn't enough. Because no matter how fast he ran, he soon came to realize one salient fact. That he'd never be fast enough.
Hart, tell me how to stop this war. Both sides are looking for you, including one that wants to kill you.
And what? You're gonna turn me over to them? You're too much of a hero to sell me out. Now, Impulse. That's a different story.
I said leave my son out of this.
Oh, but I can't. He's the one who helped me realize the truth. That artificial speed would always be a pale imitation of the real deal. Spoiled little brat. He's not just reckless, he's unworthy. All the times we fought, he was so cavalier with his gift. A gift that should have been mine! Now it will be. Thanks to you.
That's what this is all about. You want organic speed.
Keep going.
Everything that's happened. Us finding you, your clones, this war.
It's all a part of my plan. To force your hand.
So why the act? If your memories are still intact.
That's the one thing I didn't foresee. Memory loss is a side effect of fracturing myself in time. Who knew, right? And again, I knew you'd come looking for answers, which eventually would bring you to me. Give me the gift I deserve, and I'll save your precious city by reabsorbing my other selves. Or refuse my request. Watch your city burn.
There's no way that's happening. Besides, what you're asking me to do, it's impossible.
The impossible's your thing. You can figure it out. Watch more cities form up as my army spreads and this entire world is torn apart. I can see those little wheels turning in your head. You're trying desperately to think of a way out of this. Well, guess what? There isn't. So what's your answer?
did. I said no.
Oh, you change your mind. You have no choice.